Hop into the 2016 Toyota Tundra. With less than 90,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. This vehicle delivers the style, comfort, and efficiency you need to meet the needs of today's lifestyle. Confidence comes standard when you're behind the wheel, prepared for the journey ahead. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, backup camera, heated mirrors, fog lamps, satellite radio, Bluetooth connection, rear-wheel drive, stability control, traction control, pass-through rear seat. Feel the satisfaction that comes from optimizing your driving pleasure. Treat yourself to a road test today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.